In this video, we'll talk about how to schedule shares with Posher VA. Posher VA performs sharing in many different ways, giving you control over what, where, how, and when to share your Poshmark listings. The best part is you can schedule shares, so your closet is sharing 24/7 at the optimum times to make more sales than ever. You can schedule self shares, your listings, and you can schedule community shares, sharing other Poshers listings. And in this video, we'll cover both. First, you'll visit your closet to self share, and you'll open Posher VA to the Share tab. Here is where you will establish your custom sharing settings. Type of sharing refers to the listings that you'd like to share and where. So you can opt to share to your followers, to an active Posh party, or to share with the Edit Next List method. Next, you'll select the source of items. So for self-sharing, the source is My Closet. Then you'll select the number of seconds you'd like to elapse between shares. Medium and 2 to 3 seconds is recommended. And here you'll select more custom settings. You can enter a number of items to share or to share all. Keep this at 0. You can opt to share only available items. You can opt to preserve your closet order by sharing in reverse order from bottom to top, or you could randomize. I always select share eligible listings to party so that items are also shared to the party when a party is happening. And we won't do continuous sharing with scheduled shares necessarily, but continuous sharing is to repeat this process with the exact settings. So this is how you would engage in a round of self-sharing by pressing start. But instead, we're going to press schedule so that you can schedule these shares. So you can choose a time. For example, if I would like to do these at 2:20 a.m., I can enter that and schedule. I can also opt to share daily at this time. So if I click schedule, I will be sharing to followers from my closet at a medium speed, all available listings in reverse order from bottom to top. Once I click schedule, I can schedule more than one round as well. So if I like these settings, for example, I might click the schedule button once more and change the time from 2 a.m. to 6 o'clock a.m. and I can schedule a daily round at this time as well. Depending on the amount of items in your closet, the amount of scheduled sharing rounds you will schedule will vary. You'll want to take a look at your Posh stats to see the number of active listings you have, and you will divide the 8,000 daily recommended shares by your closet number to see how many self shares that you could perform in a day. However, you might also want to leave room for some community shares, sharing other Poshers listings, and you can schedule that as well. So, for example, if I would like to schedule 50 daily community shares, I'm going to visit the feed. I'll open up that share tab once more, and I'm going to change the source of items to from current page. Here I can share from current page, which is the newsfeed. I'm going to opt to share 25 daily community shares. And I will schedule that as well. And I will schedule that for 8:30 a.m. Again, I can schedule that daily, or I could just engage in that round once. And when I click schedule, you'll see that that has been added to my schedule. You can view or modify your schedule at any time. Here you can see that my 2:20 and my 6 a.m. rounds are here, and here is that most latest round, and they are different types of shares. So you can schedule shares for any settings at any time, and they can vary to your custom preferences. If you'd like to learn more about self-sharing, community shares, or even how to return shares and automate return community shares, check out the Posher VA Help Center. See you next time.